Hey friend, it is Kate here. Thank you so much for jumping on my channel and joining me for a class today. Now I have got a killer abdominal workout just for you. I do move a little bit faster, so this is probably closer to an intermediate style class, but you know that you can always do as much or as little of class as you like. So for all of my beginners looking for a great big fabulous tummy workout, this is one to definitely turn our core on, to feel that strength through the center of our body. So roll out your mat, let's get started. Let's just start in an easy seat, sitting tall, sitting straight, belly button in, head lifts high. Big inhale, reach your fingertips up. Exhale, press them down. A big inhale, really extend the fingertips up as high as they can go. Exhale, push them down. One more time all the way up, and this time take a twist to the right. Reach your right hand behind you, your left hand in front of you. Think about pulling the shoulder blades towards one another, at the same time sliding the hands apart, maybe looking to your back hand. Unravel, both hands lift. Same thing, other side. You might notice one side has more or less range of motion. That is normal. Both hands lift high and let it go. Take your feet out in front of you. Scooch a little closer to the front edge of the mat, and hands can stay behind the thighs if we need them to, or you can hold an imaginary present in front of you, giving it a big squeeze, turning on your arm muscles a little bit more. Shoulders down, head high, big inhale. As you exhale, tip your pubic bone back. Rock towards the sacrum. Slowly roll yourself all the way down to the mat. Walk the feet in. Take the hands high over the head. Big deep breath. Exhale. Lift the head and chest. Bring your hands in front of you and pause. Now extend the fingertips down towards your heels. It's like you're reaching your fingertips away from the body, trying to reach them past the toes. If we need a hand behind your head, that's okay. You can of course do that. But otherwise, try and think of folding from the sternum. The head, the chest lifts up, the tummy, the low back stays pressing towards the mat. From here, all I want us to do is take a big breath. Exhale, cinch the waist more, fold half an inch higher. And then inhale, lower the head and chest down, big breath. Exhale, think of pressing through the pinky edge of the fingers as you lift the head and chest, hold. And release down. Press through the pinkies, press through the heels, curl the head and chest up, pause, big breath. Lower all the way down. Two more just like that. Exhale, tone the tummy, curl the head and chest up, pause. Now do take your left hand behind your head. Fold a little higher. Now your hand is there to support your neck, so there's no straining in the neck, but if there is any straining, if with one hand behind you, you can always lower the head and chest down. Otherwise, cinch the belly a little bit more, fingertips reaching further away. Inhale, I want you to slide your right hand away from your body. Exhale, pull it towards your hip. Inhale, slide your right hand away from your body. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it back. Now, as you open and close the hand, just like that, think about your left side belly. The left side of my tummy is doing so much work, especially as I pull the hand back. Two more. Inhale, slide it open. Exhale, pull it back. Last one. Inhale, slide it open. Exhale, pull it back, pause. Release your left hand, fold half an inch higher, and then take your right hand behind your head. Same thing there. If we need to set our head down, it's okay. You can still work your abdominal muscles without lifting the head and chest. Inhale, open the hand away. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale, reach it open. Exhale, pull it back in. Three more. Actually, I lied. We're going to do a few more than three. I want you to press into your feet to keep your glutes, your hamstrings just as active. Reach the fingers nice and far away and then bring it in. Now about three more. Inhale, open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale, open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Last one, open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in, pause. Release both hands, reach the fingertips further, fold a little higher, lower the head and chest down. Big inhale. Exhale, push the pinkies, lift up. Soften all the way down. press down into the feet, curl the head and chest up. Lower it down. Exhale, curl up, pause. Now, if we need a hand behind our head, that's okay. You can take one, but otherwise, can we keep cinching the waist a little bit more? Reaching your fingertips further away. Inhale, slide both hands open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale, slide both hands open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. 3 more, both hands open. Exhale, pull it in. 2 more, open. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it in. Last one, open, exhale, pull it in, pause, reach a little higher, lower everything down. Take your hands overhead if it feels nice to lightly arch the back here, or to take a windshield wiper of your knees. You go right ahead, but eventually imprint the spine. Take your hands out to like a wide V, not quite a full T, but your fingertips down and away. Open up across the chest, point your little nose up to the sky, relaxing your neck and face. Smile, we love abdominal work so much. And then tone the belly as you reach your right foot up to the sky. Give it a big flex. Extend the heel a little higher. Take another big inhale. Big breath out. And then bend your knee. Pull a little closer to the chest. 5 times, send your foot as far away as you can without arching the back. Exhale, pull it in. Inhale, reach the foot away. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it in. Inhale away. Exhale, pull it in. Last one away, pause. Stomp into your left foot. Swing the leg up to the sky. Drop the heel down. Tone the tummy, lift it up. Drop it all the way down. 3 more, exhale up, inhale down. 2 more, exhale up, inhale down. Last one up, pause. Take a great big breath. Hold right there. Now make sure your heel is directly over your hip. Bring your left hand to your left hip so we know what's happening. And I want you to let your right leg fall away. Exhale, use your left oblique, that left side belly, to pull the foot back up. Inhale, reach it open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it up. Inhale, reach it open. Exhale, cinch the waist, pull it up. 3 more, open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it up. Set your foot down, stomp into the right, pick up the left, but give it a big flex. Pull it in a little bit closer without letting your hips go wonky. They need to stay in line with one another. You need to continue to imprint the spine, and then drive the heel nice and far away. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back. Inhale, drive the heel nice and far away. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back. 3 more, reach it open. Exhale, pull it in. 2 more, reach it away. Exhale, pull it in. Last one, bring it in, and then send it up to the sky. Oh, I forgot. No, you keep that heel right down there. You take a big inhale, swing it up to the sky, soften it down. Press into your left foot, lift it up, and then drop it down. Now, be mindful of what's happening on your right side. Are you letting your right knee wiggle wobble? Have you let your right shoulder lift away from the ground? Last time, lift it up, pause. Turn on all the muscles in your legs, cinch the waist a little bit more, right hand to right hip, and then the leg falls open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back. Now, obviously your leg is working, moving itself away from the body and back in, but I'm especially using my right side belly, those right oblique muscles, to help do oh so much big, good work. 2 more, open, pull it back. Last one, open, pull it back, pause. Set the foot on the ground. Now from here, big inhale, pick up your right leg, pick up your left leg. Flex the feet, pull the knees a little closer, shoulders down the back. Right foot, exhale, pull. Left foot, exhale, pull. Only take your foot so far away that your low back doesn't arch, that it doesn't feel like we are letting our tummy muscles disengage. We're going to keep yanking those tummy muscles deeper into the middle of our body, cinching our waist a little bit more. Is there any tension across your face? Can you smile a little bit more? I hope you're not yelling at me through the TV. I hope you're saying, yes, Kate, this is great. I love it so much. 2 more, back and forth. Inhale away, exhale, pull it in. Inhale away, exhale, pull it in. Last set. Last one. Hold your left leg there. Reach your right foot up to the sky. Imprint the spine. Broaden across the chest. Big inhale. Exhale, switch, pause. Big inhale. Exhale, switch, pause. Keep going at your own pace. Use the exhale to switch. Inhale, hold. Exhale, switch. Inhale, hold. Exhale, switch. So we're going slow and steady. You can almost imagine you're moving through peanut butter. It's hard. It's challenging to take those feet back and forth. Even more so when we're really concentrating on keeping our low back touching the mat, keeping our chest open, our neck soft, our face happy. Last one. Now take both feet up to the sky. If there's a bend in your knees, if they're a little lower, that's okay. But otherwise, stomp those heels up to the sky, run across your chest, seal your inner thighs together. Now, just like we did before, we're gonna open one leg, exhale, pull it back. Open one leg, exhale, pull it back. Take it at your own pace. Now, ideally, the leg that's up, going up to the sky, the one that's not falling away, should not be moving whatsoever. Almost imagine there's a magnet that's pulling that heel up to the ceiling as your leg opens and close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. One more set like this, and then something a little bit different. Now, bring both legs back together, seal them in, press down into your hands. Press down into your shoulders, cinch the waist, seal the legs together. They cannot possibly open. Listen carefully. Your hips will move away from the mat. Your shoulders will not. Inhale, slide your feet to the right. Do you see my left hip lift up, but my left shoulder did not? Exhale, tone the tummy, pull the feet back to center. Take it to the left. My right hip lifted, my right shoulder did not. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back. Go ahead and take it at your own pace. There should be a nice stop and start to each action. This is not just like a swinging pendulum. Inhale, twist. Exhale, tone the tummy, return. Inhale, twist. Exhale, tone the tummy, return. 2 more sets. Last one. Last to the left. Hold. Keep the legs up to the sky. Reach your fingertips up. Take a big inhale. Curl the head and chest up once more. Reaching the fingertips down to the mat. Take your fingertips and point your pinkies down just like we did earlier today. If we need to bend the knees, if we need to set them on the ground, it's okay. If you can keep them up, that's awesome. But otherwise, again, inhale, slide the hands open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull them back. Inhale, slide the hands open. Exhale, tone the tummy, pull it back. 3 more open. Exhale, pull it in. 2 more open. Exhale, pull it in. Last one, open. Exhale, pull it in. Pause. Smile. We love it so much. Take a big breath. Can we keep our hands here? Can we flip them? If you need a hand behind your head, that's okay. Keep the feet lifted or set them down. But last big thing of class, the hundreds. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 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 exhale. As you go, is your low back moving away from the floor? Is there tension behind your neck? Do you need to take a hand behind your head to give yourself a little support? That's okay. Keep sealing the inner thighs together, cinching the waist a little bit more. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale. You're almost there. Keep going. You love it. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale, 3, 4, 5, exhale. Last one. Exhale, pause. Can we hold? Could you drop the legs a little lower? Could you drop the legs a little lower? Maybe a little lower. Take a big breath. Let it go. Relax. Walk the feet in. Reach your hands overhead. Take a big stretch. And take a twist of your knees side to side. Pull your knees into your chest. And a little rock all the way up to a seat. As always, give yourself a great big pat on the back. Thank yourself for doing something so good and just for you. I certainly hope you enjoyed our lovely abdominal workout today, and I cannot wait to see you again.